We're now in my friend's garage looking today at the Craftsman 1.5 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. And as you can see, there's a washer and dryer in the garage. As you can see, there's the wall button is upside down. There's the light button. Light button doesn't work. But now let's close it. This is a Craftsman, and there's a window out there for the outside. It's getting dark out in the garage. Now open it back up. As you can see, there's Sienna out there. Pretty nice garage door opener. Pretty nice opener. What? Last time their spring was broken, but they replaced this metal one. Yeah. It's their washer and dryer.
Yeah.
See, it's a Craftsman.
Yeah.
And that's it. Okay. And that's my video. Bye.